basic controls in this electric Peugeot 208. To switch the car on, press the start button and the two screens will light up. The engine is not yet on. The little message tells you that. All you can do at the moment is operate the windows and adjust the mirrors using these controls on the driver's door. To bring the engine on, press the brake pedal and press the start button again. You will get a sound, da-da, and the word ready will appear to tell you that the engine is on. The gearbox is parked at the moment and the handbrake is on. To make the car go, we need to change P to D using the gear selector. Press the foot brake again, squeeze the button on the side and pull all the way back. This light changes from amber to green and the letter D now appears so that the engine is connected to the wheels. The car will not move if you take your foot off the foot brake because the parking brake is still on. This little red light is on and the same light appears at the top of the instruments there. There are two ways to switch the handbrake off. I could just add a little power with my right foot and it switches off and the car moves. Or if I put that on again by pulling upwards, I could switch it off manually. To do that, I need to press the foot brake, then press this switch down. You can see that little red light goes off. And then, when I know it's safe, I can gently release my foot from the foot brake and the car moves. That's especially useful if you haven't got a great distance in front of you and you need to steer a lot, so you don't want to go fast. To choose reverse, foot brake down again, press the button on the side, push all the way forwards. There will be a bleep. The light on here changes from green to amber. It's actually orange. And in this car, there's a reversing camera that comes on, so you will notice this display changes. If you want to go relatively quickly, again, you can just press power and the brake will switch off. Or, if I put it on once more, you could press the foot brake and switch that off manually. And then release some of the foot brake to let the car move slowly. Just the same as a handbrake lever. You pull up with the switch to put it on and you press down to switch it off. You will probably hear the motor as well, changing the brake to being on or off. To select park with the gearbox and engine, you just press this button on the top. So to illustrate that again, if I'm in drive, I've released the foot brake because the handbrake, the parking brake is on. If I want to park the engine as well, just press P and that disconnects the engine. That means that if I press the power pedal, it's not going to automatically switch off the parking brake and the car will not move accidentally forwards.